traumatic spinal cord injuries after a Mayo Clinic study showed promising results through the use of stem cells. Well, you've been tracking this story for so long. This is promising.
So what's good about this is that there's a new hope for spinal cord injuries, and this is what keeps me going. This is what gives me the hope that I need, knowing that, there's a lot of people working on this, but things like that, and that it's so much advanced, and a lot more things have been going on. This has only been a year ago, but there's so many far more advances and things like that. But I just hope and pray and know that God's got me and He's in control, no matter what's going on. And I just have a lot more hope and a lot more faith now that I know that there's new things happening, that God is able to make these people be able to help me, and be able to help me in a way that I will be able to see my first steps, be able to walk again, use different cells and things like that to be able to know that I'll be able to accomplish what I need to accomplish, because I'm going to definitely walk again, and I definitely know that I'm going to walk again, and I can't wait. So I just keep on being patient, keep on taking my time, and I know that good things are going to happen. But I'm just going to watch this video, and we're going to move on to the next thing.
Promising.
Yes, George, we've been on this for years now, and we've been following this promising story, this promising trial out of Mayo Clinic, an innovative use of stem cells as a potential treatment for spinal cord injury. The trial results for the 10 people in the study are out today. It was the right time to check back in with patient number 1.
This morning, progress against paralysis. Stem cells taken from a patient's own body could improve movement and sensation in people living with paralysis or spinal cord injury, according to findings from phase 1 of a clinical trial at Mayo Clinic, released today.
This is a very stubborn disease. These findings give us hope for the future.
The study followed 10 patients and showed that 7 of them had an increase in sensation when lightly touched or pricked, and had more strength in certain muscle groups. The remaining 3 patients did not improve or get worse.
This trial shows us that stem cells are safe and potentially beneficial in the treatment of spinal cord injury. This can be a milestone in our field of neurosurgery, neuroscience, and treating patients with a spinal cord injury.
If you push down on my knees, let me blow your mind.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
One success story is Chris Barr, the first patient in the trial, paralyzed from the neck down in a 2017 surfing accident.
Trying to moonwalk.
I met him at Mayo Clinic in 2019, GMA following his inspiring story of enduring surgery and therapy. He had regained some mobility and sense of touch, only to see his progress stall. It took him nearly a minute to walk just 30 feet. But upon entering this ambitious stem cell trial, Barr's fortunes turned. 15 months after being injected with stem cells from his own stomach, he could cover 30 feet in 23 seconds,
again.
and he was eager to show off.
Does it feel good? Does it feel nice to just stand?
Yeah, it does.
Never thought you'd do this again.
I'm telling you.
Today, he's
It's a
10
beautiful
seconds
thing, man.
faster, and as
just
I
a
caught up
beautiful
with him,
thing to
grateful
see.
for it all.
This whole intention was originally just to donate my body to science. And, I never dreamed I would have a recovery like this. I can feed myself. I can walk around. I can do day-to-day independent activities.
What does that do for you emotionally and psychologically?
I'm just thrilled that there are people taking bold steps to try and do research to cure this. It's been a wild ride, and it's not over yet.
Good feeling, man.
No serious adverse events were reported after stem cell treatment, and additional research is underway among a larger group of people to further assess risks and benefits. And we're following new science in uncharted territory. There are still no FDA-approved treatments for spinal cord injury. There is not yet a cure, but positive results from trials like this one move the ball forward, as Chris put it to me, and news like this makes hope increasingly tangible.
I know your family has been very involved also
Yes.
in helping, and the
Absolutely.
foundation.
Yes, the Reeve Foundation is at the forefront of research like this, and seeing results like Chris Barr and those other patients in this trial have had just makes us want to keep working hard.
We know you will.
Yep.
Well, thanks very much.
Well, hey there.
It's a good it's a good feeling, man. It's a good feeling to be able to feel those things, man. Just to know that, it just gives me hope that one day, I'll be able to, the way that things are moving, I'll be able to get those, um, tests and things like that. And I'll be able to, one day take that, and hopefully, I already know that they say that I'd be a very, very good candidate, and I know that, you know, I know that they're not able to have it in the area, but there's definitely close in the right direction. That was about a year ago, and they're already doing a more advanced technology things as far as, injections and things like that, and people who are at least quadriplegics, being able to have some sensation lower than their injury, and some of them are being independent and able to, move on their own, and at least being able to, live on their own and being able to be more independent, so that's a true blessing, so I'm definitely looking forward to one day being able to take that trial, but definitely not the early stages. I definitely don't want to be a guinea pig in this thing, but I definitely know if there's a lot of people who are benefiting well from these stem cell trials, I definitely want to be able to be the one to be able to use that and do that, because I definitely know that the way that I am taking care of myself, eating right, working out and keeping my body healthy and being really healthy right now, I definitely know that I'll be a good candidate, and I know that I'll be able to get that treatment, and it'll give me a lot of hope, and definitely look forward to my future, and I definitely know that God is in control, and He'll be able to bring me to a point where I'll be able to no longer need my wheelchair, and I'll be able to get on my feet and start walking again. So I'm really looking forward to that. But all right, y'all. Well, that's all I have for today. And it was kind of a short one, but yesterday was a very long one. Today's a little short one, but definitely want to see if I can maybe enjoy the rest of my day. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of yours. Be safe. Continue to live a good life, and stay blessed, and have a great day. Hope you guys enjoy yourself. Be safe. Have a wonderful weekend. Try to see if I can get on here tomorrow, but if not, I'll definitely be back during the weekend. Hopefully you guys will hope you guys will continue to support me and things like that, and thank you for everything that you guys have done for me, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you for everything, and I will hope to see you guys next time. Hope you guys have a good day. All right, love you guys. Be safe.